Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with my $10 challenge for CVS for this week. Today is the 27th of March, and when I say $10 challenge, we can take the word challenge very seriously because I went through 3 broken coupon machines yesterday. I went back two of the same coupon machines were still broken today. So I couldn't print a bunch of my CRTs that I wanted to. So I had to adjust my deals. So here's what I adjusted it to. So first I did the soft soap. I did 3 of these deals on Sunday. So I was able to only do 1 for today. So I did not use my 2 off of 6 body wash CRT, but I did just do 1. So they're on sale for $3.49. I had one of the 75-cent off coupons, and you get $1.75 back in ECBs. So that is the only reason I did not buy 2 and use my 2 off of $6 body wash, is because I would have bought 2 and only got $1.75 back, which really wouldn't have been that good of a deal. So I stuck with 1, and I got 1 for 99 cents, which worked out perfectly. Next, I wanted to do cosmetics. So these little single eyeshadows in my store are $3.99. And I had 2 of the $1 off coupons. As you could see, the little on the coupon itself, the little single shadows are up there. The ECB deal this week was you buy 2 and you get $5 back. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then here is the breakdown for this. So 2 of them at $3.99 is $7.98. When you buy 2, you had 2 $1 off coupons, so it's $7.98 minus the 2 makes it $6.98. And then when you buy 2, you get a $5 ECB. So I got 2 of them for $1.98, which is a really, really good deal, especially since I'm trying to keep the total low because of the $10 challenge. So also with that, I did the Sally Hansen. So now the deal is buy 2, get a $5 ECB. We have these $1 off coupons. Now on it says any Insta-Dry product. So the coupon on, the picture on the coupon is for the Insta-Dry, which is right above the coupon, there. The ones underneath them are $3.19, but they are the extreme wear. And I didn't think the coupon would work for those because they're not Insta-Dry. So the Insta-Dries are a little more expensive. They are $5.49 each. I grabbed 2 for $10.98. I used 2 of those $1 off coupons. So that makes it $8.98. When you buy 2, you get a $5 ECB. So it was $1.98 each. Now, I know that seems kind of high for nail polish, with it being $1.98 each, but I had a 3 off of 12 CRT. So the Maybelline, and this is all before extra bucks. So out of pocket, Maybelline was $5.98. Out of pocket, Sally Hansen was $8.98. So that's $14.96. Take the $3 off for the CRT. So it makes all 4 of those products $11.96. So for those 4 products, that's really good considering the 2 nail polishes alone would have been over $10. So I also did the toothbrush. Now I had to do this deal again. It's $3.99. I had a $1 off coupon from the newspaper. I had 1 more of those CVS $1 off coupons. It expires on the 31st. If you have that, you can stack it with the manufacturer's coupon. So that way you get $2 off of this toothbrush right off the bat. I wish I had more of these because these make such a great deal. So it's $3.99. You're getting $2 off for the coupons, which makes it $1.99. Then when you buy 1, you get a $2 ECB. So that makes this toothbrush free and a 1 cent moneymaker. So that was absolutely perfect. I also did this deal on Sunday, and I believe the limit was 2. Plus, I only had one. This was my last CVS $1 off coupon. So here we go. This is what screwed me up. So these Trident gum packs are 3 for $3. When you buy 3, you get a $1 ECB. Now, I had a CRT for buy 2 packs of gum and get 1 free. So I was assuming that, let's say they take off $1, that would put me at $2. You get them all $1 back, so it would be $1. So I would get 3 packs of gum for $1. That didn't happen because my CRT didn't come off. So here's the breakdown of how this actually went. So I got 3 for $3. When you buy 3, you get $1. So the final is $2 for 3 packs of gum. So I should have left the damn gum alone, but I had my transaction figured out. I got to the register, I saw the gum, and I was like, you know what? 3 packs of gum for $1 would be a really good deal. And I grabbed it and it screwed me up. So here is the main reason why I did this challenge in the first place was because I had this $10 gift card from Groupon. It was $5. You pay $5 and you get $10 to spend. So a lot of the deals I wanted to do, I could not do because of the coupon machine being broken and me not being able to print my CRTs. So I didn't get to print my Hershey cookie one. I didn't get to print my Revlon CRT, and I didn't get to print the toothpaste CRT. But here's how this broke down anyway. So it was $19.69. I did use a $6 beauty buck, which I received on Tuesday, which is today. I received that for last week, so it's $13.69. I had the $10 gift card, which made my total $3.69. If I had left that damn gum alone, my transaction would have been completely free, and I would have mastered the $10 challenge. That didn't happen. But I did pretty good anyway. I earned $14.75 in ECBs just today. So that made this transaction an $11.06 moneymaker. I wish I had those other 3 deals because those were the main sources that I wanted to use for this, but that's all right. We made it through. We still did good. So yeah, that's my $10 challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video.